Make the most of your AWS credits and reduce your costs strategically by modeling utilization scenarios, applying strategic commitments, and tracking credit burndown with free long-term forecasting and multivariate scenario modeling from Archera. AWS offers service and promotional credits against the cost of its services as a component of a number of common programs, including AWS Activate, AWS Migration Acceleration Program, known as MAP, AWS Well-Architected Software Partner Funding, AWS Service-Specific Discounts and Trial Programs, and others. Once redeemed, AWS credits are automatically applied to your bill to help cover costs that are associated with eligible services until they expire or are exhausted. How can you maximize the reach of your AWS credits? On the infrastructure optimization side, DevOps and engineering can reduce costs by modifying infrastructure to right-size instance capacity, replatforming or reprovisioning workloads, and stopping or terminating unused resources. But with significantly less effort and no infrastructure risk, you can immediately stretch the value of your AWS credits simply by purchasing native, no upfront reserved instances and savings plans through the Archera platform to significantly reduce the cost of AWS services. You can also optionally leverage Archera's unique, insured 30-day and 1-year commitments while under AWS credits to as much as double your buying power without making long-term commitments. Archera will even defer billing you, interest-free, for any insurance premiums that cannot be covered by AWS credits until after your credits expire or are exhausted, helping your organization to extend your billing-free period without any additional charges. Unfortunately, there is no AWS native way to granularly track the burndown of your AWS credits or model different scenarios to build strategies for maximizing their utilization. Archera's free forecasting helps you predict what your future spend and AWS credit burndown will look like under any customizable multivariate scenario. Generate a baseline forecast for any segment of your infrastructure powered by your average historical usage. Create and apply any number of credits packages, configuring the issue and expiration dates and the credits amount. See the impact of your credit model on your segment's costs over time, and view the burndown of your credits balance. Model the forward-looking impact of any additional input, including how different reserved instances and savings plan strategies can reduce your credit burn, projected growth rates or investment spikes within any service, cost optimization efforts, AWS support costs, purchasing services through AWS Marketplace, and hypothetical enterprise discount or private pricing thresholds and goals. Track the influence of these inputs and more against your AWS credits scenario, and see how the numbers change under different forecasting algorithms. You can also easily export forecast details to other data management software for further manipulation or reporting. Archera helps you stretch the value of your AWS credits by arming you with the knowledge and foresight to maximize their reach and accurately prepare for and project future costs. Make the most of your AWS credits today with Archera's free forecasting and scenario modeling.